Most people think sleep is the time your body does nothing. It is actually the opposite. While you sleep, your brain cleans itself, your immune system files its memories, your hunger hormones reset, and your body repairs tissue it could not touch during the day. Sleep is not downtime, it is maintenance. And when you cut it short, you are not just tired. You are running a body that skipped its service appointment. Let's decode what that actually means. Number one, your brain stops cleaning itself. This one surprises almost everyone. During deep sleep, your brain activates a system that flushes out waste products that accumulate during the day. Think of it as a drainage system that only runs at night. One of the substances it clears is a protein that, when it builds up over time, has been linked to memory decline and cognitive problems in later life. When you do not sleep enough, that system does not run properly. The waste stays. Research from leading neuroscience institutions has confirmed that even a single night of poor sleep measurably increases the buildup of these waste proteins in the brain. You can feel the fog the next morning, but the process underneath it is more significant than just a bad day. Number two, your immune system falls behind. Sleep is when your immune system does much of its maintenance work. During sleep, your body produces proteins that coordinate the immune response and help fight off infection. When sleep is cut short, that production drops. A study tracking over 150 adults found that people who slept fewer than 6 hours per night were more than 4 times more likely to catch a cold when exposed to the virus than those who slept 7 hours or more. Not slightly more susceptible, 4 times. What makes this especially interesting is that sleep is also when your immune system forms memory after a vaccine or infection. It files what it has learned so it can respond faster next time. Poor sleep does not just make you more vulnerable now, it reduces how well your immune system remembers what it has already fought. Number three, your hunger hormones shift. Here is something most people do not connect to sleep. After a bad night, you are not just tired. You are also genuinely hungrier. Two hormones regulate appetite. One signals fullness, the other signals hunger. Research has shown that sleep deprivation reduces the fullness signal and increases the hunger signal at the same time. The result is that you eat more, feel satisfied for less time, and are pulled more strongly toward high-calorie foods specifically. This is not a lack of discipline. It is two hormones pointing in opposite directions, both moved by how much you slept. Studies tracking people over time have found that consistently short sleepers are significantly more likely to gain weight than those who sleep enough. Not because they move less, because their appetite system is running on shifted settings. Number four, your emotional control weakens. You have probably noticed this without realizing what it was. A comment that would normally not bother you lands differently. A small setback feels disproportionately frustrating. You are quicker to react, slower to recover. Research using brain scans has confirmed exactly what that feels like from the inside. The brain's emotional response center fires up to 60% more intensely after a night of poor sleep. At the same time, the area that regulates and calms those responses becomes less active. It is not that the world got harder overnight. It is that the part of your brain built to keep things in proportion is running at reduced capacity. And you are feeling the difference without knowing why. Number five, your body repairs itself more slowly. Here is something most people do not realize. The majority of your growth hormone, which drives tissue repair, muscle recovery, and cell renewal, is released during deep sleep, not during exercise, not during rest, during deep sleep specifically. When sleep is cut short or broken up, that release drops significantly. For most people, this shows up as slower recovery after exercise, persistent soreness that lingers longer than it should, or just feeling physically flat without a clear reason. Research has confirmed that athletes who extend their sleep consistently outperform those who do not, even with identical training loads. The training stays the same. The repair window changes everything. So a bad night is not just a bad night. It is your brain carrying waste it could not clear, your immune system working with less backup, your hunger hormones pulling in the wrong direction, your emotions running without their usual buffer, and your body missing its main repair window. None of this is permanent after one night, but it compounds. The most consistent finding across sleep research is simple. Almost everything works better with enough sleep, and almost everything works worse without it. not as a general feeling, as a measurable fact across every system in your body. If you found this interesting, check out the other videos on this channel. Each one decodes a different part of what your body is doing when you are not paying attention. Comment below, which one surprised you most? The brain cleaning itself, the immune memory, or the hunger hormones?